I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pasta. We'll walk through each step to create a wonderfully creamy and flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion. This recipe is designed to be straightforward, ensuring you can enjoy a gourmet-tasting meal without spending hours in the kitchen. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up this comforting pasta, making it an ideal choice for busy weeknights or a cozy weekend dinner. For this delightful pumpkin pasta, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with 1 pound of your preferred pasta, like penne or fettuccine. Then, grab a 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin puree, making sure it's not the sweetened pie filling. You'll also need 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream, 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic, and about 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese to add that perfect savory touch. Let's get cooking. First, boil your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, then drain and set aside. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat and sauté your minced garlic for about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, stir in the 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and a small pinch of nutmeg. Let this delicious sauce simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. Now for the grand finale. Carefully add your drained, cooked pasta directly into the warm pumpkin sauce in the skillet. Toss everything together gently, ensuring every strand of pasta is wonderfully coated in the creamy sauce. Stir in the 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until it melts into a smooth, cheesy embrace. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a dash of freshly ground black pepper for an extra touch of flavor. Enjoy your homemade pumpkin pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.